Part 3, we're going to build and fit out our router table inset.
Remove the plastic base plate from the router. We're going to use this to mark out our table inset. Find the center of your table inset. Check the dimensions of your router base plate. Mark out the bottom of the table inset using the router base plate as a stencil. Check what size screws your router uses and drill accordingly. Because we're going to glue washers into the top of the inset table to hold the screws for the router, we need to countersink holes for these washers to slip into. Next, mark out the position for the set screws in each corner of the inset. Because wood doesn't hold a thread, we set a nut into the inset using epoxy putty. Make sure you don't drill all the way through. Leave the set screws in the nut while you push them into place. This prevents any epoxy putty getting into the threads. Scrape any excess putty off using a scraper blade. Remove all the set screws and allow the epoxy putty to set. Glue the oversized washers into the top of the inset, ready to receive the router base plate screws. You may need to get longer screws to suit your router. Screw the router into position and allow the glue to set. Once the glue's set, clean off the top and check the inset for fit. Once you remove the router, the washers should stay in place. Drill out the top of the set screw so that you can access the head of the set screw, and then clean the threads using a tap. Use the set screws to set the level of the inset so that you don't have a lip on any side. Because we want as little clearance as possible around the router bit, we use a router bit to cut the center hole. Because this is our second inset, we're going to cut a larger hole through this one, as our first one has a smaller aperture. And now you're ready to test your router table.